If you've been curious about FabFitFun's new Beauty Edit Box, you might be wondering if 4 full-size prestige beauty products for just $30 a month is really as amazing as it sounds. And after digging into the details, there's more beneath the surface than the flashy marketing suggests. While brands like Rare Beauty, Patrick Ta, and Olaplex certainly grab attention, the actual experience isn't always straightforward, starting with a membership setup that can significantly increase the total cost compared to the advertised $30. And once you factor in the auto-renewing subscription, some users find themselves paying closer to $60 a month without fully realizing it upfront. The promise of handpicking products can also be misleading, because popular items often sell out within hours, which means many subscribers are left with whatever the system assigns, rather than getting the curated products they hoped for. And this has caused frustration for customers expecting flexibility. Shipping and delivery also seem to be a recurring pain point, with third-party carriers sometimes taking longer than expected and customer service taking multiple days to respond, adding to the overall experience gap between expectation and reality. On top of that, product quality and consistency have been called into question, with reports of mismatched shades, allergen surprises, and even missing packages, which can make the excitement of receiving a box fade quickly. While some people do enjoy the thrill of discovering new beauty products at a lower upfront cost, the combination of hidden fees, limited selection, shipping issues, and occasional quality concerns means the box doesn't always deliver a perfectly smooth experience. And whether it's worth the hype really depends on how much risk you're willing to tolerate when trying out a subscription beauty box.